Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on AMC. So they do have earnings coming up. It's going to be on August 8th. TD Ameritrader Thinkorswim is showing here after hours earnings on the 8th. So over this past week, they had a pretty good pump here. I think it was the 31st. Yeah, after they had this big pump on Monday, I took that opportunity to sell a call because it was a pretty good move higher. So I sold pretty much at the money. I sold the 5 call, and you can see they finished regular trading hours on Friday at 493. So I went max profit on that 5 call. And now we have earnings coming up here. So I was taking a look at the earnings, and it looks like the consensus is a loss of 4 cents, and revenue is expected to be at 1.29 billion. So again, they are expected to lose money on the earnings, but if you look back on the daily time frame, you can see larger losses. 3 quarters ago, they lost 20 cents a share. Then they lost 14 cents a share, and then they lost 17 cents a share. So if they do actually come in at this number or close to this number, it's definitely going to be an improvement over what we've seen the previous 3 quarters. So we'll kind of see what happens here. I know they had some pretty good weeks recently at the box office, so we'll see if that translates to the earnings that are actually going to be released here for this past quarter. But just keep in mind, the CEO has come out and said, we're going to have to dilute the shareholders. We're going to have to raise money. If not, we're going to go bankrupt. So, I'm going to continue. If they go on a little pump, I'm going to continue to sell calls, because right now this is a company that just continues to lose money. We'll see. Maybe they'll have a surprise or something and come in at a profit this quarter. It'll be interesting to see what happens next week with the earnings. But for now, they just have a track record of bleeding money. And the CEO has come out and said, hey, we're going to go bankrupt if we don't dilute our shareholders. So, for those reasons, I'm going to remain bearish on AMC. I think that price target that I think Goldman Sachs gave them like a 175 price target, I think that's a joke. I don't see any other price targets up anywhere near that. And I mean, for a company that's on the verge of possible bankruptcy, like, how could you have a price target of 175? I think that's a scam price target. I don't know. Maybe they're just trying to trigger a bunch of people to buy in. I don't know, but that's my take on AMC, and we'll kind of see what comes up here next week with earnings. I'll continue to keep you updated on AMC. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.